Okay, so a video about the Nintendo Switch. One thing I've noticed is that the battery is good. It can definitely hold its charge after like 400, 500 charges, but it starts losing lifespan earlier than it should. And you'll notice things like it'll run out before it gets to 1%, which is normally when it does, and you'll get the warning to charge the console. Like I was playing on mine, and at 3% it went from that to 1% and just ran out, which is unusual for a games console because they don't usually have the problems that like a smartphone would, where you get fast drain on them. And I think what it is that the battery may not actually be designed for the Switch. So it is good, it'll definitely do what it needs to do, but it could start draining fast, or it could stop holding a charge. And I think as well, because the games are demanding, the Tegra X1 CPU drains power faster than it should, and because of that your battery will go from 100% to 0 quicker than it should. Not in like an hour, but it would definitely go in like maybe 2.5 hours, something like that. And I mean, the battery life on the Switch, it isn't good enough, because on games like Fortnite it only lasts 2 hours 20 minutes, which isn't good, and on games like Resident Evil it only lasts just over 3 hours, which really isn't enough. You can drain the battery and you can keep doing that, it won't damage it because it can do that, but really it should be lasting like 4, 5, maybe 6 hours. And if the rumours about the Switch Pro are true, then the battery in that is going to be a lot better than the battery in the Switch now. And that's the end of the video. Thank